Hi everyone, this is Mom Loves AG Dolls too, and I wanted to say thank you so much for over 1,000 subscribers. So guess what? It's contest time! And I'm gonna tell you the rules. There really are only 3 rules that you need to follow. First, you must be a subscriber, of course. You have to like this video by clicking on the thumbs up or the like button. You need to comment by answering the question. And the question this time around is, which is your favorite American Girl bathing suit, old or new, from any collection? There will be one winner picked at random and will win the prize shown. Oh, and let me answer the question as well. My favorite is actually the one that you are going to be winning as the prize. So I will show that at the end. The deadline is going to be Sunday, March 17th, so you only have 1 week to do this, so please enter as soon as possible, and the winner will be announced the next day. And the other important rules is it is open only to USA and Canada. You must have your parents' permission if you're under 18 in order to receive the prize at your home address. For all my contests, because sometimes I do have more than one running at a time, you can only enter 1 contest. So please choose either AG contest or Reborn contest if I have more than one. Important, only enter 1 time, even if you have multiple channels. No cheaters, please. Let's be fair to everyone, okay? Please remember to follow these rules so that you don't get disqualified. Thanks for watching. And let me go ahead and show you the prize. I almost forgot to do that, huh? That's the important part. Here it is. It is American Girl's newest bathing suit. It's mostly red. Right here it says American Girl, and that band is pink. The ruffles are pink. It is a 2-piece. See if I can show you. It's got the little top and the skirted bottom. And yep, this is my favorite bathing suit that they've ever had. This is what it looks like in the back. I also like the bathing suit that they had before, which was red, black, and white, but I missed my chance to buy it, and it is now retired. And this has beautiful stars, butterflies, hearts, and flowers on it. So thank you again so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're not a subscriber so you can enter the contest. Bye!